And we're back for question number 2. Let's take a look at this parallel circuit. See what's going on here. Okay, so the first thing that I know about, well, actually, let's start with resistance. Never mind, I was going to go somewhere else, but we might as well start with resistance. In order to find the resistance, let's go back to white. In order to find the resistance, I'm going to use this inverse property, this inverse relationship, in order to find it. So I'm going to do 1 over 200 plus 1 over 100 plus 1 over 20. Now, I am not going to try to find a common denominator there. What I'm going to do instead is let my calculator do the heavy lifting. So you're going to have to bear with me here for a minute as I type in the values and try not to make a mistake as I'm talking at exactly the same time. When I type in these 3 fractions together, what my calculator gives me, sorry, let's try that again, is 0.065. So you can double check that. Now that is not the total resistance. I have to do that is 1 over the resistance. So I have to actually take the inverse of that in order to find the total resistance. My total resistance then turns out to be 15.4 ohms. Okay, that is my total resistance across the circuit. Next, I want to figure out the current and the voltage values for resistors 1, 2, and 3. Because this is a parallel circuit, I know that the voltage stays the same. So each of these has 12 volts going through the resistor. After that, I'm going to use V equals IR. I'm going to do voltage divided by resistance to find the current, and that's going to be for each of my circuits. So I'm going to take 12 volts on 20. I'm going to do 12 volts divided by 100, and then 12 volts divided by 200 ohms in order to find it. Now this one's pretty easy, so I'll do that one quick. So remember, those are V's. That's not a weird number that I don't know how to draw. All right, so 12 divided by 20 is 0.6. And then we're going to do, 12 divided by 20, 12 divided by 100, 0.12, and then 12 divided by 200 is 0.06 amps. Okay, so what this means for me, let's say we've got 0.6 amps, 0.12 amps, and 0.06 amps for the answers. There you have it.